Hello students and welcome back to Standard 9th Mathematics Digital class. Today we will learn to find value of a polynomial. In a polynomial, if variable is replaced by a number, then we get the value of that polynomial. Now let's understand this with an example. Here the given polynomial is p of x equals to x plus 7 and we have to find the value of this polynomial for x is equal to 2. So we will replace x by 2 to find the value of this polynomial for x is equal to 2. Okay, so let's substitute. So substitute x is equal to 2 in the above polynomial. So therefore we will replace x, that is the variable x, by 2. So p of 2 is equal to, here we have x, so we will replace it by 2 again. So 2 plus 7, which is equal to 2 plus 7 is 9. So therefore the value of polynomial for x is equal to 2 is 9. Okay. Let's solve more examples. So here example 2 is find the value of p of y equals to 2y cube minus 2y plus root 7 for y equals to negative 2. Okay, so the polynomial here is p of y equals to 2y cube minus 2y plus root 7. Okay, we have to find the value of this given polynomial for y equals to negative 2. So let's substitute y equals to negative 2. Okay, so therefore we will replace y by negative 2. So p of negative 2 equals to 2 multiplied by y cube. So y will be replaced by negative 2. So negative 2 cube minus again 2 multiplied by y is again negative 2. Then plus root 7. Okay. So this is equal to 2 multiplied by negative 2 cube is negative 8. Then negative 2 multiplied by negative 2 is positive 4. Then plus root 7. So this is equal to 2 multiplied by negative 8 is negative 16 plus 4 plus root 7 equals to, now negative 16 plus 4 is negative 12, then plus root 7 as it is. So this is the value of the polynomial for y equals to negative 2. So therefore for y equals to negative 2, the value of polynomial is negative 12 plus root 7. Now we will solve practice set 3.4. So here question number 2 is, if p of y is equal to y square minus 3 root 2 y plus 1, then find p of 3 root 2. Okay, so here the polynomial is P of y equals to y square minus 3 root 2y plus 1. And we have to find the value of P of 3 root 2. So that means we have to find the value of this polynomial for y equals to 3 root 2. So let's substitute. Substitute y equals to 3 root 2. Okay. So we will replace y by 3 root 2. P of 3 root 2 equals to, here y square, so again 3 root 2 bracket square minus 3 root 2 multiply by y is there, so again 3 root 2 plus 1. Now this is equal to, now 3 root 2 squared is, 3 square is 9 multiply by root 2 squared is 2 minus, now here 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, root 2 multiplied by root 2 is 2 plus 1, which is equal to 9 into 2 is 18 minus 9 into 2 again 18 plus 1. So this is equal to 18 minus 18 is 0 plus 1 is 1. So therefore P of 3 root 2 is equal to 1. Okay. Now we will solve question number 3. The question is, if P of m is equal to m cube plus 2m square minus m plus 10, then what is P of a plus P of minus a? Okay, so we have to find the value of P of a plus P of minus a. Okay, solution. Now here P of m, the polynomial is P of m equals to m cube plus 2m square minus m plus 10. Okay, so here we have to find P of a as well as P of negative a. So first we will find P of a. Okay, so to find P of a, we have to substitute m equals to a. Okay, so let's substitute. So substitute m equals to a. Okay, so therefore P of a, so we will replace m by a. Okay, so P of a equals to a cube plus 2, in place of m we have to write a, so a square minus a plus 10. Okay, so this is P of a value. So let this be equation number 1. Okay, now we have to find P of negative a. Okay, so to find P of negative a, we have to substitute m equals to negative a in the given polynomial. Okay, P of negative a equals to, we will replace m by negative a, so negative a cubed. Okay, then plus 2 multiply by, again m will be replaced by negative a, so negative a squared, then minus, again m will be replaced by negative a, so negative a plus 10. So this is equal to negative a cubed is negative a cubed. Okay, then plus 2 multiply by negative a squared is a squared. Now minus of minus is plus. So plus a plus 10. Okay. So this is equal to negative a cubed plus 2a squared plus a plus 10. Now let this be equation number 2. Now we have to find the value of p of a plus p of negative a. So that means we have to add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So let's write here adding equation 1 and 2. So we will get on left hand side p of a plus p of negative a, and on right hand side we will write a cubed plus 2a squared minus a plus 10 and then negative a cubed. So we have to add the value of p of negative a. Okay, so negative a cubed plus 2a square plus a plus 10. Now here we have a cubed, positive a cubed, and here we have negative a cubed. So this 2 will be cancelled. Then we have negative a and positive a. So this 2 will also be cancelled. Okay, let's see what we are left with. Here we have 2a square plus 2a squared. So it is 4a squared. Okay, then we have plus 10 which is plus 20. So therefore p of a plus p of negative a is equal to 4a square plus 20. Hope children you have understood how to find value of a polynomial for the given value of variable. Okay, thank you.